Hello friends, today we will discuss how to convert your bank statement which are in a PDF format into the Excel format. So for the purpose of converting PDF into the Excel, you have to go to the Google and just type in the search box PDF to Excel. Here you will find pdf to excel.com. Go to this website and click on the link. So you will find that pdf to excel.com is open. Now here you have to upload your PDF file. Same for example, I am uploading my PDF file, that is my bank statement. Now it will process. You have to wait for the few seconds or say 1 or 2 minutes. It will be converted into the editable Excel format. Download and save it as a folder. You can just open and check it out whether your file is converted into the Excel or not. Now you can check that my file is already converted into the Excel format. Now one thing you have to do, check that if you have multiple pages in your PDF bank statement, then at the end of each page you will find this type of row. So you have to delete manually in your Excel. Now you can find your bank statement is ready. If suppose on the next page you will have an uneven format for your column, then you have to manually correct it. Otherwise all your bank statement is converted from PDF to editable Excel format. So I hope you will understand this.